So it's 9:27. We're open. We're about to start the New York Open. I took profit on this trade at this level because I saw buyers stepping in, basically, right? I saw, what did I see? It was, yeah, right here. I saw buyers stepping in around here, and I saw prices just moving way too slow right here, so I decided to exit the market here. I did see something else. I forget what I saw at the time. Um, but yeah, basically did exit here because I saw that a buyer just started to step in, and on my RSI there was a verified low showing momentum was shifting to the upside, meaning that this could have been a new low. Um, I could have got in here, but I don't know if I wanted to yet because the big red candles are not overlapping the green candles, right? I don't know if buyers are 100% in control at the moment. Uh, one bias I can say is that there was a surge in price, and now we're having like this type of uptrend. But when we have an uptrend like this, it's not really an uptrend. It's just a bear flag, right? The same thing that happened yesterday. This is just a bear flag in the making. So this is the support and resistance of the bear flag. We're now breaking down in the resistance of the bear flag. Do I really want to enter in this market? No, not really, because the New York opens in like 1 minute, and I don't see the seller stepping in. Yeah, we see high. Okay, yeah, we see high red candles, right? But we don't see the buyers really slowing down, right? Like the volume on the green is high, the bars are big enough to support their theory, right? And even here, buyers are stepping in, right? Large red candle, large red volume, small red candle. So this is showing that buyers can definitely step in here. Maybe we could see rejection if we go up a little more, but I do think we're bullish. I'm not entering this trade just because uh I don't believe in it. I could paper trade it though. Yeah, let's paper trade it because it is a good trade. But just because that New York Open is coming, and I know there's a lot of liquidity below us, I really just don't want to enter the trade. Like I'm not desperate for it, right? I'm just not desperate for it. So I can put my stop loss 20 points down, which is 70. Is this 20 points? Get about 20 points down, and I can aim for the new high, or I can aim for liquidity levels more above. But yeah, I'm not. See, like I would have been too stressed out going to this trade. Um, it can definitely just reverse here, right? It's New York Open, anything can happen. They're just tricking people out. So I'm actually gonna paper trade this and see what happens. What happened? Oh, I think I was in the. No. Okay, I don't know why it's not doing that. She's just reset. Just enter this trade and try it out. Yeah, I don't know why. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Um, if I was to say market price is going something, there is a fair value gap here. So actually, let's try for a higher take profit and see what happens. Say around this level. I'm gonna oh oh there was too many. So when it delays like that, there's too many orders processing. It's way too many orders processing. So that's the reason why it delayed me, right? So let's still try. So even if I traded that in real time, I would have still got fucked over. Yeah, beautiful buy. This would have been a nice trade. So we can actually bring our stop loss more down. So about a 60, right? There is still liquidity in this area, so the market can still go there. let's see what happens here. Go for 1 to 3. As you can see, it's trying to. This is validating my support and resistance because it's really trading in this area. And these two areas are support and resistance, right? So that's I'm happy it's trading in that region. So I can truly support my bias. So yeah, this looks like it wants to go to the upside. Beautiful buys. This would have been a good buy, but I did not trust it. I don't care. I don't care about not taking the trade. We're in profit today. We were from negative what I think it was like negative 700 from the first trade to $100. That's still a green day, so I'm happy. Maybe we can get rejection here. Nah, buy volume is just way too strong, and I don't see any signs of it stopping. So we'll let that play out. You could have definitely took this trade. Though. I'm definitely gonna review this trade about the rejection here, but the sellers haven't entered the market here, and then I saw buyers enter here. This candle is where buyers entered, and we still came down. So this could be a nice play in the future. So that was nice. And now we're using this as support and resistance. So what price can do, we can move over, use this as support, so we can look for another trade here, and then look for something in the upside. Okay.